In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. Whether you're building a website for your business or just for fun, having a clean and functional drop-down menu can greatly improve navigation for your users. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. This is your main control panel where you'll manage all aspects of your site, from design to functionality. Once in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available tools and features if you haven't done so already, as this will help in smoothly navigating to the desired functions. Now look for the Pages icon on your dashboard. It generally looks like a small stack of rectangles and is typically located along the left-hand side of the editor. Clicking on this icon will display all the pages currently on your website. This is where the magic begins, allowing you to organize and structure your website content efficiently. With your pages visible, you'll need to click and drag the specific pages that you want to include in your drop-down menu. Click on the page title, drag it slightly below the main page you want to link it under, and release it. This simple action tells the Wix engine that these pages are part of a sub-menu under the main page, effectively creating your drop-down feature. Once you've organized your pages accordingly, it's time to see the work in action. Over on the top right corner of the Wix editor, you'll find the preview button. Clicking this takes you into a live preview mode, allowing you to browse your website as visitors will see it. This step is crucial for ensuring everything is functioning as expected. After entering the preview mode, hover over the main menu item that now has a drop-down menu linked to it. The pages you integrated should now gracefully expand downwards, allowing you to click through and ensure each link is working correctly. This is your opportunity to tweak and refine the drop-down's appearance and reconsider its organization to enhance your site's user experience. With all these steps completed, you've successfully created a drop-down menu on Wix. This addition aims to simplify the user journey, ensuring your site visitors have easy access to the information they need. Remember, organization and clarity are key to creating an intuitive web experience for all users. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other main page you'd like to enhance with a drop-down feature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to save your changes before you exit the editor, and happy website building with Wix.